guys, good evening. It's a beautiful evening. We are so grateful for life. We are so grateful for this moment, guys. So in today's video, I just want to take an evening walk, and I decided why not take you along with me. I'm actually heading up to, what do I say, a neighborhood, actually a village neighborhood, and I said, okay guys, let me show you around as we go there. So stay tuned, stay tuned. So guys, in our village, this is how everything looks like. Our home is right there from the far end. This is our neighbors, actually. As I told you, we are proudly farmers. I think I keep saying, but as you can see from the look of the things, the greenery of the area. So we are proud farmers of tea plantation, actually. Yeah, because other places they grow it in large quantity. As you can see from this other side, this is our neighbor, that is our home from the far end. Yeah, you will bear with me in case my phone camera is not doing me justice, but remember that it's also in the evening that I'm making this video. So yeah guys, let's go. Guys, this is our village roads. This is how it looks like. Let me show you for you guys to see. Yeah, this is how everything looks like. Village life, actually. Man, yeah, mune. Chame. Sara at our neighborhood. Yeah, this is how we build houses here in our village. This is our road heading to our nearby market. So yes guys, let me take you along. This is now the rough road connecting from other roads, actually. This one is heading to various destinations, including schools, buying centers, and also our village is developing, actually. There's a petrol station right here, and yeah, it's a nice progress, actually, having this one in the village. It's beautiful. Yeah, it's a very serious development. We are nearing our center. This is how it looks like, the buying center and everything. Real Africa villages. Yeah. Hey. So guys, here in the village we use boda as mode of transportation. The fact that people are also growing trees, a lot of trees right here. This is millions, upcoming millions. What do you have to say? Ameona mapesa. Hii ni pesa, chapa inanukia hapa. Guys, there's a school here. This used to be my sister's school, actually, but it is improving, as you can see. Nowadays it's they have a junior school and an elementary school. Yeah, this is how everything looks like in the village. Having a village school like this one, as you can see, it's well kept. Yeah, this is our road. So guys, let me take you along. As I told you, boda boda is the cheapest mode of transport here in the village. But right now it's a drought season. There's a lot of dust along the road, especially in this a rural road. Don't mind, guys. Sometimes you forget. So in case my sister you're going to watch my video, know that I passed by your school. Yeah. This is where you acquired your knowledge here. The school is still kept. There's also maize plantations right here. Yeah, and as you can see, even our village guys have an electricity, so it's not a big deal living in the village. So guys, we are still going. I'm not alone actually. I'm with my in-law Sylvia, but she doesn't want to appear on camera today. I don't know why. So guys, let's keep going. People in the village are wondering why is she recording herself. People don't know about YouTube. But we continue. So this is how everything look like basically in the village. Yeah, people are living life. People here are not surviving, they are living life. As you can see, they are planting corns. There are sugar canes right here. Yeah, and the breeze. The breeze is so beautiful. Sylvia is right there. She's carrying the baby. Yeah. So this is how life in the village looks like. People go to the river, they carry water in their heads. Yeah, there's a project right here for bio. Even see like biogas in the village. Wow. So we keep moving. We're actually going deep in the forest. Is it forest or in the river? So guys, it's evening. As you can see, the sun is almost setting actually, and the beauty of nature. You just listen and hear the sounds of water. So I need to be extra careful because it's kind of slippery. It's really beautiful. Beautiful inside here. Very beautiful. For the waterfall lovers. Wow. Get ready. I know you love what I'm seeing when I show you. The water is actually in small quantity right now. And I can see even children are walking around. Oh, look at this waterfall, guys. Look at this one. Wow. Wow. And the sunset. Ooh, the sunset. So beautiful. The lovers of nature, I got you. Hey guys, there's a boy here playing with the bridge. What? And also some point. Well, how I wish I had a drone so that I can capture everything. It's so beautiful. Full of nature. Yesterday, guys, it's a continuation of the same video actually, and I left you guys in the river whereby we were watching the waterfall, yeah, and the sceneries and the beautification of the river, yeah. And I remember I showed you how the village looks like. Even though we are in the village looks so beautiful. I don't know on your side. For my case, it's very beautiful. And yeah, I didn't end the video. So just wanted to end the video right now because, yeah, this is the following day actually. I'm still on the same outfits, never mind. Yeah, village life is something else. You know, guys, and just wanted to urge you guys to keep on supporting me. Keep on supporting me by subscribing. Road to 1,000 subscribers. And for my returning subscribers, I know and I left you aside. You really mean a lot to me. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, commenting. I really appreciate, guys. And yeah, let me just end this video right here, and there's another video coming up soon. So guys, stay tuned. Bye.